Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I got in a 4-burner Pit Boss griddle, outdoor griddle. Figured I'd do an unboxing and kind of like a setup on it, putting it together and give you my initial thoughts on it. Pretty excited, so I'm going to get right into it. Alright, so this is a Pit Boss 4-burner. So the reason I went with this over like a Blackstone, the biggest reason is right here. The front grease trap. So on the Blackstone, the grease trap is on the back side back here, and it's a pain to get to and clean out. So definitely like that feature. I have used one of these before, and these things are awesome. The other benefit to it is the griddle top is a non-stick surface, so you don't need to use or you don't need to season it. It's super easy to clean. You know, just like any non-stick surface kitchen, you know, pots or pans that you may have. This thing cleans up really easy. Paper towel. Having the grease trap here in the front to where you can get any grease in there or scrap foods. Super easy to clean. I do recommend getting tinfoil cups for that. That way you can just pull the tinfoil out and throw it away and not have to worry about cleaning that cup too much. So it's got a side wing table on each side with 3 hooks on each one. The propane will connect down here. And then on this wing, it also does have a trash little pull-out thing for the trash. Mine came a little bent. I don't think I'm ever going to use it, so not too worried about it. So you're also going to have the paper towel holder there and a bottle opener there. So overall, I'm really happy with this. These things are awesome to use. Highly recommend it, especially for the easy cleanup. Oh, the other nice feature with these is that you can see if I can focus here. This little latch right down here, you can actually unlatch it and the whole cooktop comes off to where you don't need the legs. So whether you want to take it camping and leave the legs at home, you can actually just take the top piece. The top piece has feet on it that sit in they sit down in this leg thing, and then those clamps clamp it in. So no, very well built. I really like it. Alright, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. For this Griddle grill, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you're interested in one, check it out. Definitely worth having. Makes a griddle I find a griddle is much easier to cook with. Less mess and less cleanup versus using a regular propane grill or charcoal grill. The griddles are, in my opinion, and keep in mind it is my opinion, the easiest grill to cook with, griddle outdoor cooking. So anyway, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you next time.